here we go.
Are you shooting it from the right way?
Yeah.
I'm not going backwards.
Here, you can drop it down. Lightest person goes here.
The what?
Lightest person.
That's you, bro. It scares me sitting down. It scares me.
Come on in.
Move your... I gotta get my leg out. You want me on top or on bottom?
Just stick your legs out like that, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
Got somewhere to hold on, right?
Hold on to the strap the whole time. Okay. Okay.
I can't see it.
Alright. Keep holding on.
Yeah.
There you go.
She's nice. She missed.